Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another What We Eat in a Day. Ash was back there. She hurt her back and can't move, which is pretty typical. So it is what it is.
Typical.
Yeah, it is. Anyway, I'm going to make coffee. I think I'm just gonna go with this is the Target Archer Farms pumpkin spice. I only have a few of those left, and then it's time for Christmas coffee, which has been ordered and will be arriving this week. Let me pick a mug. All right, we went with England. But another fun purchase that I made was an air fryer, which I'm so excited about. We talked to a few of you guys on Instagram about it, and you were all like, it's gonna change your life, you have to get it. So I ordered one and it's arriving today. So we're gonna have some fun air frying some things with that. I got my Vital Proteins for my coffee. Let me see. Nut pod, so all of that will be added. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. Hopefully it comes like this morning-ish, early afternoon, so I can start doing stuff. Because basically like the meals that I have for dinner, oh sorry, my hand. I'm still not used to like holding a phone instead of a camera. But most of the meals that I have is just like a bunch of random stuff that I kind of like throw in a bowl. And so it all kind of has to be prepped. So we're just gonna be doing a bunch of different things. But I am excited to try kale chips in there because the kale chips that I buy at the store are air fried. So I'm hoping that by doing them this way, they're gonna be awesome. So I'll get back to you later when the air fryer arrives. Okay, I'm back. I'm not having breakfast yet, but I am gonna have like a little snack. I guess it could technically be breakfast, but what's going on with my hair? I cannot wait to get it done in November. It's a mess. It is November. I'm losing my mind today, losing my mind. Anyway, I'm gonna have oatmeal for breakfast later, but I'm gonna have one of these, which are little protein balls that I made. I'll try and find the recipe and link it down below. I think I saved it. I just kind of wung it with what we had here.
This whole thing's a disaster.
Anyway, I'm gonna have one. There's protein powder in them, almond butter, honey. I think I used oat flour. So I'm gonna have one of those, and I'm also going to make my apple cider vinegar drink. There's not much left here, so I have another one. I basically just heat up some water, put in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of honey, and a little bit of cinnamon. And I like to drink that kind of on an empty stomach just to like get everything going for the day. Still no air fryer yet. We've got a lot to make with it. We're making kale chips, we're making fries. I had to make chicken, and we're gonna do cauliflower gnocchi. So we've got a lot to do with the air fryer when it arrives. I need to actually look up some like recipes because I don't know like timing and temperature wise what I'm supposed to do. So I need to figure that out. But right now, we're gonna put all this together.
Hello, I'm standing. It's a little less painful to do that today than it was yesterday. In case you missed it on our Instagram stories, I hurt my back yesterday doing something completely normal, bending over and standing up. I don't know. I felt something pull at my back when I stood up. So yesterday was a bit painful. Today is a little bit better. But I've had my morning coffee and I'm gonna have my breakfast. You guys know I've been on a yogurt train for a long time now for breakfast, but I'm switching things up and I'm trying these protein drinks. Shelby told me about these and I have had one already and I really liked it. I had the cold brew coffee flavor. This is dark chocolate. The brand is Owen. It's a plant-based protein. Only what you need is what it stands for. I think it says that right there. There are 20 grams of protein in this plant-based protein drink. So I'm trying this for breakfast. I haven't actually had the dark chocolate one, so I am gonna try that now. Hang on, let me open it. Okay, shook it well. Again, this is the dark chocolate flavor. Oh, that's good. I enjoyed that.
Yeah,
That's good.
I like that one too.
You like, Shelby likes the dark chocolate one too.
But my favorite, Ashley likes chocolate. I'm a vanilla person. I don't hate chocolate. I eat chocolate, but if there's like a flavoring of something, I always go more vanilla.
And I always go chocolate, not vanilla.
So my favorite's the cookies and cream, and I also really like the vanilla one as well. There's a strawberry banana one that neither of us will drink.
No, this is good. The cold brew one is good too, and it has some coffee in it. So that's a nice little bonus. So I'm glad I discovered these. So
You did not discover them.
I'm glad Shelby told me about them. Sisters.
She always likes to take credit for things that other people
I
do.
already said in this that you told me about them. Little sisters, man.
All right. I have been working and I didn't realize what time it was. It's 11:35. So I'm going to make my oatmeal right now. I've been having the gingerbread flavor from Whole Foods. It's my absolute favorite one, but it's full of sugar. So I bought 3 boxes of it when it came out because it sells out so quickly and they already don't have it anymore. But I have to go back to my sugarless oatmeal after this. I think I have like 3 more packets and I'm sad, but yeah, I'm just gonna toss this in a bowl, heat it up in the microwave for 60 seconds, then I got a good breakfast.
Lunchtime, and I'm gonna have this harvest grain salad from Trader Joe's. I've never actually had this before, but it looks good. It is savory grains with butternut squash, cranberries, kale, and pecans, and a harvest spice dressing. Doesn't that sound good? So it's just like nice and easy already, ready to go. So I'm going to have that. I'm going to drink 1 ginger shot, also from Trader Joe's, and I am drinking this lemon spindrift. Looks really good. Let's try a bite. Shelby's laughing at my narration. That's good. It's pre-dressed. I would say it's not necessarily a super strong dressing, but it's good.
Okay, so the air fryer, oh no, I'm dropping you, has arrived. I haven't messed with it yet because I need to eat lunch. This one, where is she? Is waiting for blueberries. I'm finally making a smoothie after a very long time. So she's excited. So I just have my acai. I have some wild blueberries, spinach, chia seeds, banana, oh, and my protein powder, which is this. Okay, I was cut off because my dad called me. Protein powder. I think I said everything else. Chia seed, spinach, banana, blueberries, acai. Poppy has been waiting patiently because I was talking to him, so we haven't made it yet. Tikis, you want blueberries now? Come on. All right, Poppy got her blueberries. I made my smoothie. It didn't make as much as I wanted, and I was actually hoping it was gonna be a little thicker, but so that I could eat it like more like a bowl, but everything was sitting out of the freezer for a while, so not quite as thick. So I'm probably gonna drink this pretty quickly, and then I'm probably gonna have a snack while I am making everything with the air fryer. Okay, I'm not eating this stuff now, but I made the potatoes in the air fryer, and oh my god, they are amazing. I'm just prepping this for dinner, and now I'm moving on to kale chips. I'm just drying the kale after I just washed it. You guys, this air fryer has already changed my life. I'm gonna cook everything I possibly can in the air fryer. I'm gonna make some vegetable chips. I'm just gonna do everything. I'm obsessed, and you need one in your life. Okay, so I have made white sweet potatoes in the air fryer. I've made kale chips and they turned out awesome. Right now I have the cauliflower gnocchi in there with truffle seasoning. I'm so pumped for that. I'm gonna wait and do my chicken until after I get back from spin tonight, because that will probably be better, a little more fresh. But I need a snack, so I'm going to have these Vienna baked chickpea puffs. They're aged white cheddar. So that's gonna be my little snack right now. And then I'm gonna go to spin and come back and we'll do more with the air fryer.
So let's catch up. I had another cup of coffee and I've been trying all of these snacks that Shelby keeps air frying. And my favorite are the kale chips. They're delicious. That's a brilliant discovery and I am pumped about it. But despite snacking a little bit, I am going to make my own snack. It's about, it's almost 4:30, so it's a tad late, but I can't quite make it all the way to dinner without having a snack. So I am just going to have some vegetables and hummus, and then I'm going to drink the second half of this kombucha that I started yesterday. Let me show you what I'm doing. So I've just chopped up some radishes, I have some baby carrots, and I'm just gonna have a couple spoonfuls of this cauliflower hummus, which is very delicious. And that's gonna be my little snack with my kombucha, and maybe I'll sneak a couple more kale chips when Shelby isn't looking.
No, this is for my dinner. Go get your own kale. It took 3 minutes in the air fryer. Go do it yourself, ma'am.
Do you want a carrot? No? What? You don't want a carrot? You love carrots.
I've not had carrots in a very long time.
There we go. Oh, you spit it out. Okay, I'll let you work on that then. I'm making my dinner now. Shelby has chicken going in the air fryer. I am just going simple and I'm heating up some leftovers. We made chili a couple nights ago and this is the last of it. So I'm gonna make some, I'm just gonna heat this up and make sort of like a little Frito pie situation. Air fryer is going good though. Shelbs is gonna finish up her dinner and she'll tell you about it, but Alex made some of hers in it and so far everybody's a fan. I haven't used it personally yet, but I am excited to jump in and try it in the next couple days. Okay, so I just finished my dinner. I've got my green tea in my Harry mug. And then let me show you what I put together here. It's the Shelbs Taupe Special. I did the chicken in the air fryer and it turned out awesome. I put some of the chili onion crunch from Trader Joe's on top of it after I took it out. These are the potatoes from earlier, the cauliflower gnocchi from earlier, some quinoa with dairy-free cheese on top, and then I'm about to pour a bunch of these kale chips on top. This is just extra chicken that I have, and everything turned out so well. I'm so excited to eat it. Okay, I'm gonna have dessert and I'm going all out. So I'm going to have a little bit of the Trader Joe's chocolate hummus. I'm gonna put it in this little bowl. And then I still have these holiday M&Ms. They're the hot cocoa ones. I think they're the exclusive at Target. And my new trick is to put these on the chocolate hummus and it is excellent. It is one of my new favorite things. So I'm gonna do that little combo. And I think I'm gonna call it a day. I don't know if Ashley's having dessert. Most likely, probably not. You're not having dessert, so that's it then. Would you like to say goodbye to our friends? Make sure you give the video a big thumbs up. I have dry shampoo in my hair, that's why it's white. Sorry about that. Don't forget to subscribe right here, and you can watch our latest video right there.
See you next time. Bye.